If you're looking for pots and seed trays, here at lovegardening.com we have one of the largest selections on the internet. We are proud to offer biodegradable and eco-friendly pots, including seed trays as well as conventional products. Check out our range of eco pots from leading brands such as Teku and Aeroplaz, or these award-winning biodegradable bamboo pots and saucers. Or select from our paper pot range, including these peat-free pots from Jiffy. Check the website to see our great value bundle offers on seed trays. We also have an extensive range of pots in different sizes, shapes and colours. If you're looking for large containers, we offer a selection of heavy-duty pots made from recyclable plastic and a superb range of plastic or woven planter bags. Check out the lovegardening.com website to see our fantastic offers and prices for seed trays, pots and planter bags.